I'm Dr. Diane Gehart, and I'm here at the Sheldrick Wildlife Trust along with students from the only marriage and family therapy program in Africa at United States International University, which was founded by my colleague Dr. Michelle Karume. And we are going to go meet some baby elephants. In preparation for my trip to Kenya, I started reading about elephants, and I was blown away by their level of social emotional intelligence. It really does rival that of humans, and in fact, as a mental health professional for over 30 years, I really have become to believe that elephant societies actually, in many cases, exhibit more social emotional intelligence than many of us. I surveyed nearly 20,000 mental health professionals about the different lessons, the top lessons that we could learn from elephants. And so now we're going to go over the top 5 lessons that humans can learn from elephants about healthy relationships. So starting with lesson number 5, check in with your herd daily. So if you watch elephant families in the wild, they communicate consistently throughout the day using both vocalizations and physical contact to stay connected. They remind us of the importance of checking in regularly with friends and family to keep relationships strong. For humans, this means texting, calling, hugging, or otherwise letting them know you care. For most of us, this means reaching out about 20% more than you think you should. Lesson number 4. When one succeeds, we all succeed. Elephants are known for celebrating each other's successes, whether it's finding food or water or overcoming challenges together. This is important to do in our human relationships as well. Additionally, it is important to remember that when it comes to disagreements in couple and family relationships, it's impossible to have a winner and a loser. In couple and family therapy, we often emphasize the importance of win-win solutions to keep relationships healthy and strong. Quite simply, if you find yourself wanting to win an argument with your partner or family member, you've already lost. Both people need to feel heard and understood when there is conflict for relationships to work long term. Trust me, once you master this lesson, your relationships will dramatically improve. Lesson number 3. Comfort comes before solutions. When an elephant is distressed, the herd surrounds them with gentle touches before taking action to solve the problem. This is a fascinating elephant behavior because it is something we teach parents to do with their children, and we also teach therapists to do this with their clients. Like elephants, humans are neurologically designed to co-regulate their emotions, meaning we can help each other manage difficult emotions. When responding to friends or family in distress, it is always best to attend to the emotional issues before solving the practical problem. Neurologically soothing their emotions quiets the stress response and allows the prefrontal cortex or problem-solving part of the brain to come back online. Lesson number 2. The best conversations have no words. If you ever get a chance to watch elephants in the wild, you will notice that they are constantly touching one another. They build intimacy through presence and touch, not just vocalizations. The same is true with humans. Often a gentle touch is far more effective in communicating care than words. It is easy to feel when someone is being fully present with us versus when they are distracted. So take a tip from elephants and make it a point to put down your phone or turn off the TV for at least 10 to 15 minutes a day to fully connect with those you love. You will notice that it changes everything. And finally, lesson number 1. Home is where your herd is. Elephants spend most of their lives in herds where they form long-lasting emotional bonds. In fact, they are well known to grieve, visiting the bones of ancestors years later. Arguably, they are better at forming secure attachment than many human families. If there is one thing we can all learn from elephants, it is the importance of creating emotional safety. One thing I have learned from over 30 years of being a therapist is that when a person feels emotionally safe, they act with kindness and intelligence. But when a person does not feel emotionally safe, we see their worst behavior. So when it appears to you that your loved ones are acting crazy or irrational, ask yourself, is there something I can do here to make them feel emotionally safe with me? Focusing on making them feel safe again, and things will go much more smoothly. In virtually all situations, things improve when people feel safe. So if you want to support the work of Sheldrick, you can adopt one of these magnificent creatures. Your donation goes to supporting the care and feeding of these animals. Or if you're just having a tough day, I invite you to go to their website where you can watch incredible videos of the rescue and rehabilitation of these wild baby elephants. It is heartwarming and sure to improve your day. So you can check out everything that Sheldrick has to offer at the web link below.